So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing oops there seems to be a problem, please try again later. TRW7 error problem in your Gcash app. So guys, watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing why this problem is coming in your Gcash and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch this video till end. So firstly, you have to open Play Store in your phone. After opening Play Store in your phone, you have to click on the search button, and after clicking on the search button you have to search for Gcash app here. Okay, so guys, after searching for Gcash app, the Gcash app will be appears on your screen. If the Gcash app shows an update, so guys, you have to click on the update button and update your Gcash app. And if the update button is not showing, so guys, you have to go to the home screen of your phone. After updating the Gcash app, you have to go to the settings of your phone. Okay, after clicking on the settings button, you are in the settings now. Find out the apps option in these options. After finding out and after clicking on this apps option, you have to click on the manage apps button here. After clicking on this manage apps button here, you have to search for Gcash app in the installed apps list. And after searching for Gcash here, click on the Gcash app, select the storage button, and after clicking on the storage button here, you have to click on the clear data button. And after clicking on the clear data button, select clear cache, press the OK button. Now second time clear all data and click on the OK button. Now you have to go to your home screen of your phone. After coming back to your home screen, you have to open your Gcash app and your problem will be solved. But if your problem will not solve with these steps, so guys, you have to wait for some hours, because this is also a server issue and it may take some time. So guys, you have to wait for some time. I hope you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.